In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up company departments on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, since department settings are usually managed at the admin level. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you're ready to begin. Next, open the People section by clicking People from the left-hand menu. This area is where Gusto organizes employee information, and it's typically the starting point for managing how your team is structured inside the platform. From there, access your company settings. You'll want to navigate to the section where company structure and employee organization settings are managed. Depending on the version of the interface you see, this may be grouped under company details or organizational settings, so take a moment to look for the area related to team setup. Once you're there, locate the Departments option. This is the section that allows you to define the different parts of your company, such as operations, sales, marketing, or any other internal team structure you use. Setting this up properly can make employee records easier to organize and review later. Now create a new department by clicking Add Department or Create Department. After that, enter a department name. Be clear and consistent with the naming so it matches how your business already refers to each team. This helps avoid confusion, especially as your company grows and more employees are added. When the name looks correct, click Save to create the department. At this point, the department should be added to your company structure in Gusto. The next step is to assign employees. Open an employee profile and assign that person to the appropriate department. This is important because creating departments alone won't automatically place employees into them. You'll need to update each profile so your records reflect the right team assignments. Continue repeating this process for any additional departments you need. If your company has several teams, simply create each one individually and use the same approach to keep everything organized. It's a good idea to stay consistent as you go, so your department list remains clean and easy to manage. Finally, review department assignments to verify that employees are assigned to the correct departments. This quick check can help you catch mistakes before they create confusion in reporting or internal organization. And that's it. You've successfully set up company departments on Gusto. Thanks for watching.